Hello guys, welcome back. And in this video, I'll be showing you and having like a quick walkthrough of how to set up Google Analytics on your website. This is coming up because a couple of questions I've been getting from people on how to set this up, and I'll be showing you how to go through that from scratch. So let's get to it. Let's get into it. Before we do that, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be very helpful. So let's proceed. To set up your Google Analytics, the first step is to go to analytics.google.com, which is this site, and get started. So when you log on to Google Analytics, you have to make sure that you log on to the analytics with the Gmail account that you want to set up. And when you get here, click on Start Measuring. This stage, you just name it an account name, most likely the business you want to set it up for, the website. Here you can you choose the data sharing settings that you want Google to have access to. Then you click on next. This is the property. So it says here that each property you create holds all your measurement data for any selection of websites and apps that you choose. So let's see. I'm going to name it Brad Abdullah again. You choose the reporting time zone. This website is in Nigeria, so I'm going to choose Nigeria. Let me see if I can find Nigeria from there. Yeah, I'm going to choose Nigeria, and uh, the time zone. See the naira here. Yeah, Nigerian naira for conversion because the website is in Nigeria. You can later change all of these in the admin settings. So let me review. Okay, then click on next. Choose your business, the category. Uh, Choose the category that your business falls in. So yeah, medium, 11 to 100 employees, depending on your business size. And then you click on next. Now this part is very important. You choose the objectives for your website. Do you want to generate leads on your website? Do you want to drive sales? If you run an e-commerce business, then this option would be the best. If you run like a blog and you want to understand your web or app traffic and what is driving your visit, this option would be the best. And if you are not sure, like if your category is not listed, you can just choose other business objectives. This website I'm setting up for the mainly are going to be like generating leads on the website. So I'm going to choose this objective for the website, and then I click on create. Mm, Agree. Scroll, scroll down. Yeah, so click on accept again, and we click on accept, and there that is it. That's the first step. The property, the account and property has been created, and now you can start collecting data. And this next part is very important as well. You choose the platform that you want to that the data collection wants to occur on, and for this context, uh, I'll be choosing the web platform because I'm trying to set up these analytics for the website. So I click on web. Here you have to uh, put in your website URL address. Let me see. Is that correct? I think I can just copy it here to be sure. Then go back here, paste brothervideo.com. Let me see if it's HTTPS, and then brother video web. And do you want the next question is if you want enhanced measurements aside, like the normal page views, scrolls, and all of the other metrics or events that it's going to be capturing. So I'm going to leave this toggled on, and I'm going to hit the create and continue button. So this has been set up, this has been created. Next, the next step is to uh, set up the Google tag on your website. Now it's saying install with WordPress, which is recommended. For this video, I'm going to be installing manually because I want to use it. I want to use a plugin. Another option that you can like set up on your website, you have either two I think three options. You can use a plugin, you can use the Google Tag Manager, or you can like install it manually. If you have access to the code for your website, you can just copy this tag and place it on the header section of your website. But for this video, I would be using a plugin because the website is built on WordPress. So I'm going to I'm going to copy this, and it's been copied, and I'll go to the website. I'm already logged in to the admin section of the website, and for this I'll be using a plugin called WP Code. This is the plugin. I already have it installed. If you don't have it installed, let me see. Let me quickly show you. Let me show you the plugin itself. So I can just search WP Code. See if it's come up. Yeah. So it is this one that I'm using. This WP Code by Sierra Valky. That is the plugin that I'm using. So yeah, let's go back to adding the code to the website. So on this, you're just going to click the header and footer because you're adding it to the header of all pages on your website, and that's why this plugin is very important because it automatically does that for you and adds it to all the pages that you have on your website. So I'm just going to paste the code here. Going to paste the code here, and I'm going to save changes. Okay, so for this next step, I want to test if that like the code has been set up properly. So I want to visit the website itself. this is a website. So I'm using a Chrome extension called Google uh, Tag Assistant. So let's say I want to see if the code is there. So it's you can find there's a Google it's found a Google tag here, and it is already sending data which is like a page view. So now I want to go back to the analytics page and test installation. So I've gotten the feedback that the Google tag has been correctly detected on the website. So you want to hit the confirm button. It says data collection isn't active. You would have to wait like 48 hours. But this has been set up. I just have to come back in the next few hours and see the uh, the data that is being reported like on the analytics platform. I have to note like there are a lot of other settings that you can like set off like if you have different events that you want to measure like a specific event you can create custom events. Custom events are like events that are specific like to your business. For instance, like if you have a page where people like drop a quote and maybe drop a quote about what it is that they want, you can set up an event for that. That whenever people visit or complete that section, it will be triggered like on the analytics. So that is it. That is how to set up. Um, that is how to set up Google Analytics code on your website from scratch. If you're setting it up, if you're setting it up like maybe taking the code and putting on your website directly, it's basically the same step. You just have to follow the prompts. And also, if you're using the Google Tag Manager, instead of putting like the Google Analytics code on your website itself, you'll be putting the Google Tag Manager code on the website, and then in the Google Tag Manager, you're going to add all the conversion tag or the Google Analytics code that you want to, like implement on your website. Maybe subsequently, I can do like a video on Google Tag Management as well, how to use like a Google Tag Manager to set up um, code snippets on your website. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope that you found this video helpful. And please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly do. I'll be dropping more videos like this that can help you on your digital marketing journey. See you next time.